Okay, so we're talking about oregano and how I use this when I'm cooking. So oregano, and I'm sure it's been said, but it's a hot oil, so you want to be really careful with getting it on your skin. You never want to use it like undiluted. And so, but for cooking, a little bit goes a very, very long way. And I'll show you a couple of the pots just that I use just to give you an idea. But really, when I use this the most, it's like when I make like chicken stew, or if I'm flavoring rice or quinoa. And I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna try and make spaghetti sauce this year. And so I'm excited to have this because it's just gonna make it so good. So I'll just quickly show you if I can turn this around. Can I? Maybe I can't. Anyway, okay. So this is my crock pot right here, and this is what I usually make a chicken stew or a chicken or vegetable stew. And then I put 1 drop in the coconut milk and mix it up, and then that's how I pour it in, and that's good for us. You can add more if you want to, but 1 drop is really good. And then when I'm making rice or quinoa, I like to do a dish like that size, and so that's where I take a toothpick and I dip the toothpick into the bottle of oil and then stir that in. And delicious! Yeah, so I hope you enjoy your oregano.